4JM Solution, we export our knowledge, we export our expertise, and we export our know-how within the semiconductor industry. As soon as we set up 4JM Solutions, we had opportunities and contracts coming in from Japan, from Singapore, and even from Malaysia. Our internationalization journey started even before 4JM Solution was set up. The contacts that we have, the companies that we know, helped a lot 4JM Solution to set up a strong international community, which we help with. Well, the future plans for 4JM Solutions looks quite bright. We have projects coming from South America, from Northern Africa, from Southeast Asia. These projects keep us very busy and on the road continuously. So yes, I would say that the future for us, for 4JM Solutions, looks quite bright.